Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to give you information on the Jobsite report. For that, come up to the site navigation bar, come up to the reports and under that Jobsite. Once you click on that, you are landed to a screen where you can filter the data and have the generation of the report by the specific member or all of the members by team or department that can be selected from here, and even data filtration of the date can be done. Click on Generate Report to analyze your team average working hours. You are landed to a screen where you can see the Jobsite report data coming up. Here you can see the member name with respect to the date under which job site it has been added. What was the project name? Who was the creator of this specific job site? What was the entry time and the exit time? And how much was the time spent on that specific job site? It's shown here. You can filter out the data using these filters. You can send to a specific email address. You can have the report scheduled at a specific time, and then you can even download as a PDF or a CSV format. This was all about the Jobsite report. Thank you.